Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will going to focus on if and else statement in Python. So if and else statement are used to execute the block of code based on the certain condition. These are the fundamental control flow statement that allow your program to make a decision and take the action based on the condition. Okay, so these are the Python support user logical condition from mathematics. So these are the equals to, these are not equals to, less than, greater than, all this. So these are the basic sign that we need to use. Okay, so these are the simple example of a if condition. So if we are using a if condition, so this if is code execute if condition is true, else the code execute if the condition is false. Okay, so if I explain this if statement, the if condition is evaluated first, okay, and if condition is true, the code block under the if statement is executed. Okay, if the condition is false, the code inside the else block, if provided, is executed else statement. So the else block is optional. It is executed when if condition evaluated to false. Okay, so these are the basic explanation. So let's see the basic example. So what I can do is I can just take the age as age equals to 18. Okay, and then we'll put if age is greater than and equal to 18. Okay, then we want to print you are adult. Okay, so this is a simple example that we are taking. You are adult. Okay, else we'll put else. Okay, print you are minor. Okay, so like this, you are minor. Okay, if I want to execute this, I'll just click on run. You can see there is an error. So here I need to put this. Okay, here I need to put this. If I execute, now you can see that you are adult. Okay, so in this example, okay, the if checks is whether the value age, right? Whether the value age is greater than or equal to 18. Okay, since the age is 18, right? Over here, the age is 18. Okay, the condition evaluated to true. Okay, and the program is print you are adult. If the value of the age is less than 18, the code inside the else block would be executed and print you are minor. For example, if I put 17 over here, okay, so like this. So now over here I have put it 17 and you can see the result is changed to you are minor. If I put say for example 19 and if I execute you are an adult. If I put maybe 10 over here, execute you are minor. If I put 18, then it will say you are an adult. Okay, so this is how the if condition works. So now let's take a separate second example using a else if for the multiple condition. Okay, so now here the else if will be came into picture, right? So how to use else if? Let's see in this practical example. So for example, I'll just take copy paste the code for our simplicity. So here we are putting age is equal to 17 and we are putting if the age is greater than and equal to 18, then we need to print adult. Else if it is greater than 13, then put you are a teenager, and else we can put a child. So here we want to execute the multiple condition. Okay, so that is why we are putting the three condition over here. If the age is greater than you are an adult. Okay, so likewise you can add else if for a multiple time to define the multiple conditions. Okay, so now if I run this here saying it is teenagers, let me print something like 18. Okay, change the age 18, you are an adult. Let me print 10 over here. Okay, so you can see you are a child. Okay, so here if condition is false, the Python move the else if condition and check it. If both the if and else if condition are false, then it will check the else block. So in this case, since the age is 16, the program will print the you are the teenager. Okay, the key points that we need to remember here, indentation. So in the Python, indentations usually space of 4 is indicate that the which code belongs to if and else if or else block. Condition, so the condition inside the if condition can be any expression that evaluated to be true or false, like a comparison, logical operations. Logical operators, like you can combine the multiple condition, usually the logical operators like and, or, and not. Okay. So example with the logical operator, we can see that. Okay. So I can just paste a code over here. So like in this example, we have a age equal to 20 and we have a permission as true. If the age is greater than and equal to 18 and has permission, then print you can enter, else print you cannot enter. Okay. So this is the example. If I run this, you can enter. Okay. So over here, we are checking the age is 20 and if has a permission is equal to true, then he can enter into the door. Otherwise, he cannot. Okay. Suppose if I put false over here, and if I execute, you cannot enter. Okay. And if I put 19 over here, let's see. If I execute, you cannot enter. But if I put true here, let's see, you can enter. Okay. So because we are greater than and equal to 18 and the permission has it, so we can enter. Let's see if I put 17 over here and if I execute, we cannot enter. So this is the example of like the logical operator. Okay. So in summary, if I say the executing the block of code if condition is true, so else condition execute the block of code if the condition in the if is false, else if allow the checking the additional condition if the previous ones are false. Okay, so these are the basic things that we need to remember for if and else condition. I hope you got some logic in this. If you like this video, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because your subscription will give me, it will motivate me to create a new video for you guys. So thank you so much for your time.